ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Multiplication of matrices is another operation that we will discuss in the next class. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, if A and B, if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, A11, A12, A13 and A21, A22, A23, this is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So similarly, if you take B is a matrix of order 2 by 3, same order. So B11, B12, B13 ಹಾಗೆ B21, B22, B23. ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು we have to add these two elements, add the matrices A and B. That is, we require A plus B. Then A plus B is, how can we obtain the addition of the matrices A and B? That is A plus B just by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So A11 corresponding element is B11 here. So just by taking that A11 plus B11. Similarly, the corresponding element of A12 is B12. So by taking that, adding those elements A12 plus B12. So and similarly, the corresponding element of A13 is B13. So therefore, we can write that A13 plus B13. So this is, we have added the elements of the first row of A and B. Now add the elements of second row of the elements of A and B. So by adding this, the corresponding element of A21 is B21 in the second matrix, and A22 plus B22 and A23 plus B23. That is how we can add the two matrices. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎರಡೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು we will get the addition of two matrices A and B just by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. Similarly, we will get the subtraction of two matrices. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು subtraction of two matrices ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ A minus B is equal to A minus B equals, here we are getting, one minute I am going to write once again that A minus B, just I am writing here, A minus B equals, A minus B is A11 minus B11. Just by here what we have taken, that A plus B just by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So A minus B ನಲ್ಲಿ we have to subtract the corresponding elements of A and B. So A11 minus B11. So A12 minus B12. A12 minus B12. Similarly, so A13 minus B13 and A21 minus B21 and A22 minus B22 and A23 minus B23. So we are getting A minus B. So when the two matrices are of same order, we are subtracting the elements when the matrix is of same order, and we are adding the two matrices just by adding and subtracting the corresponding elements of A and B. So we conclude that if A is a matrix Aij and B is a matrix Bij, or two matrices of same order, or two matrices of same order, same order m by n, then the sum of the two matrices, let's take this first one, the sum of the two matrices is defined as matrix C, that is also of same order, matrix C, that is Cij of order m by n, where Cij is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of Aij plus Bij. So this is the addition. Similarly, subtraction of two matrices, same thing, the subtraction of two matrices, just by adding the corresponding elements we are getting the addition of two matrices. Now the subtraction of two matrices is defined as matrix C, where Cij is of same order m by n, where Cij is equal to Aij minus Bij. So that we denote that Aij is an element lies in the ith row and the jth column. So this is for all possible values of I and j. For all possible values of I and j. Here also for all I and j, possible values of I and j. So this is how we can define the addition of matrices and subtraction of two matrices. So similarly, just by taking the scalar multiplication of matrix, ಇಲ್ಲಿ scalar multiplication of matrix of a matrix. ಒಂದು ಸರಳವಾದ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, suppose A is a matrix that is 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2. Then suppose K is a constant. Suppose instead of K, let us take this 2. 2 is constant. Let us take 2A. So 2A is obtained by just by multiplying the corresponding elements of A and B. That is 2A, adding this is multiplied by 2, this is also multiplied by 2, this is also multiplied by 2, and all the elements are multiplied by 2. So we are getting, so the 2A is obtained by multiplying all the elements of A by 2. So that is 4, 10, 2, 6, 12, 4. So this is 2A. That means how we are getting the elements of 2A, just by multiplying the corresponding elements of A. So we conclude the definition of a scalar multiplication. If A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix, actually it may be of any order, is a matrix of A is and A is equal to Aij of order m by n, and K is a scalar, and K is a scalar, then K into A is another matrix, which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by scalar K. So that I give the example. So this is the concept related to the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the matrices. So let's take one example on this. Suppose if we take A is a matrix, let A is a matrix, let A is a matrix 2 4 and 3 2. B is a matrix 1 3 minus 2 5, and C is a matrix minus 2 5 3 4. So here let's find out A plus B. So how to find A plus B? Just by the adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So 2 and 1. So just by taking the 2 plus 1 here, 2 plus 1, and this is 4 and 3, taking 4 plus 3. Okay. Then 3, adding the corresponding elements of 3 and elements of A and B, that is 3 minus 2, just because we are adding, and 2 plus 5. So we are getting 2 plus 1 is 3, 7, 1 and 7. So this is A plus B. Similarly, to find out A minus B, let's take the second one. Let's find out A minus B. Here also subtracting the corresponding elements of A and B, that is 2 minus 1. So we have taken 2 plus 1 in the previous case. Here we have to take 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, and see one thing, observe that 3 minus of minus 2, because see, observe that is here is 3 and here is minus 2. So we are subtracting here 3 minus minus 2. So therefore that is 2, next element is 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and this is 3 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 will become 5, and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is A minus B. So we can get the subtraction of matrices and addition of matrices just by taking the corresponding elements of subtracting and adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So let's take one more based on this definition, that is taking 2 3a minus c. Third one, 3a minus c. First, for this, take 3a, find out 3a. So 3 into a is 2 4 3 2. So that is equal to, this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix A by 3. So therefore, this is 3 into 2 6, 3 into 4 is 12, because all terms are multiplied by 3. 3 into 2 6, and 3 into 4 is 12, and 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 2 is 6. So that is 3a is 6 12 9 6. So now we have to take 3a minus c. 3a minus c. We have to find out 3a minus c. So 3a minus c is 6 12 9 6, and minus c will be minus 2 5 3 4. So we are getting now, that is equal to 6 minus of minus 2. Observe that the corresponding elements of 6 is minus 2 here, and 12 minus 5, because the corresponding element of 12 here is 5. Then the the corresponding elements of 9 here is 3. So therefore 9 minus 3. Then after that, the corresponding elements of 6 is, here is 4. Therefore 6 minus 4. So therefore this is equal to 6 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, that will become 8. 6, this is 6 minus of minus 2 is 6 plus 2, that is 8. And 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 9 minus 3 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So that is 3a minus c. So that is how we can apply the addition subtraction of the matrices. Let's take another example. Suppose if we have compute this one, that is trigonometry problem, cos square x, sin square x, and sin square x, cos square x, plus let's take plus sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. So we have to compute these two matrices. Andre add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, both are of same order, 2 by 2 matrices. So let us take this as equal to the given expression equal to. So let's add the corresponding elements of a and b. So cos square x corresponding element, this is cos square x, the corresponding element of cos square x here is sin square x. So therefore cos square x plus sin square x, and the corresponding element of sin square x is here cos square x. So therefore, sin square x plus cos square x, and the corresponding element of sin square x is cos square x. So therefore, sin square x plus cos square x, and the corresponding elements of cos square x is sin square x. So therefore, cos square x plus sin square x. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು this is a trigonometric property. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is equal to 1. So every term is just rearranged the cos square x plus sin square x or sin square x plus cos square x. So that must be equal to, okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, because sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. So that how we can take the computing the matrices. So let's take one of the important problem for 5 marks. That is, if A is a matrix, A is a matrix 1, 2, -3, 5, 0, 2, 1, -1, 1. And let's take another matrix B as 3, -1, 2, and 2, 0, 3, and sorry, this is okay, that is 4, 2, 5, and 2, 0, 3, third row, and C will be, C is here, I am writing that, and C is a matrix 4, 1, 2, and 0, 3, 2, and 1, -2, 3. So these are the two matrices. Both are, all the matrices are of order 3 by 3. So what they have asked that compute A plus B, A plus B, and B minus C, and verify that, and verify that, verify that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B, A plus B minus C. So actually this is the associative property actually. So involving the addition and subtraction. So here we conclude, first find out this A plus B. What is A plus B? A plus B, A plus B, I'm going to find out here. A plus B is equal to, just by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So observe that 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So that is 1 plus 3 will become 4. 1 plus 3 will become 4. Then adding the corresponding elements of 2, A and B, that is 2 minus 1, because 2 plus minus 1, so that is 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1, let us write it all the terms. Then that is -3 plus 2, and 5 plus 4, and 0 plus 2, and 2 plus 5. Then 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 3. So adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So A plus B will be, A plus B will be 4, and this is 2 minus 1 is 1, and -3 plus 2 is -1, and that is 5 plus 4 is 9, and this is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 plus 2 is 3. This is minus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is a plus b. Now let's find out a minus b. Compute a plus b. Okay. So another term is b minus c. B minus c. So take b minus c here. B minus c. That is 3 minus 4. So adding the corresponding elements of a and b. 3 minus 4. And minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 and this minus 1. And 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So this the corresponding element of 4 now here is 0. So 2 is 3 here and 5 is 2 here. So therefore the taking that 4 minus 0 and 2 minus 3 and 5 minus 2. Also taking the third row of the corresponding matrices, that is elements of the corresponding matrices, that is 2 minus 1 and 0 minus of minus 2, because see observe that here is 0, here is 0 and here is minus 2. We are subtracting that 0 minus of minus 2. So then 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. So from this we are getting b minus c. So equals b minus c equals 3 minus 4 is minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2 and 2 minus 2 will become 0 and 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus of minus 2 will become plus 2, 3 minus 3 will become 0. So that is a plus b and b minus c. So now let us find out computing the result. So that is a plus b, a plus b, a plus, let's take b minus c, a plus b minus c. So we have to take a plus a, what is a here? Let us write that 1, 1, so 2, 1 is given, 1, 2, minus 3 and 5, 0, 2 and 1 minus 1, 1. So this is a plus b minus c we have find out here. So therefore b minus c is minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. So this is a plus b minus c. So adding the corresponding elements of a and b, now 1 plus minus 1 here, see 1 plus minus 1, directly we can add, this is equal to 0 and 2 plus minus 2, so that is also 0 and 3 minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3 and 5 plus 4, that is 9, then 0 plus minus 1 minus 1, this is corresponding element of 2 here is 3 here, so therefore 2 plus 3 is 5. Then the corresponding element of 1 here is 1, therefore so 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So we are getting the matrix containing the element 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Now we have to find out, this is a plus b minus c. Now we have to take a plus b minus C. So let us take A plus B. We have already find out. So what is A plus B here? So what is A plus B? So A plus B is here. That is A plus B. 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, and 3, minus 1, 4. This is A plus B. And minus C will be C. We have C there. 4, 1, 2, and 0, 3, 2, and 1, minus 2, 3. So we have to subtract the elements of A plus B and C. So from this we conclude that is 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, and 1 minus 1, and minus 1 minus 2, then 9 minus 0, and 2 minus 3, and 7 minus 2, and 3 minus 1, and minus 1 minus of minus 2. So, and 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. So that is equal to, so 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and minus 1 plus 2. This is minus 1 plus 2 will become plus 1. 4 minus 3 will become 1. So observe that. So this is 1 actually. A plus B minus C. This is 2 here. This is okay 1 and 2. So from this we can observe that from 1 and 2 we conclude that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So ಇದು ನಾವು application of the matrices. Application of matrices. How to add and how to subtract and how to